you beautiful human, and welcome to week 4, day 1. We're going to have a fun workout today. We're going to incorporate a little bit of standing exercises that's going to get us moving in different ways. Now, if you're not feeling great today, I get it. I was crying a lot this morning. And one thing to do when we're feeling down, when we're feeling low, when we're feeling overwhelmed, is move our bodies. It's going to help. So just grab a mat, big glass of water. That's all you need today. Let's take care of your body.
3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, rest.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you are
3, 2, 1, rest.
make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I
3,
can't help
2, 1, rest.
Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done with
3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, rest.
I should let go.
Three, two, one, rest.
I should let go. I should let go.
Three, two, one, rest.
I should let go. let go.
3, 2, 1, rest.3, 2, 1, rest.
And that's it for today's workout. You showed up, you did it, you are amazing, you're beautiful, you are strong. I hope it helps. I love ya. See ya, pizza. And I'll catch you in the next one.